Are you looking for the best wood therapy massage tools? In this video we will look at some of the best wood therapy massage tools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PCS Wood Therapy Massage Tools, Wooden Massager. The wooden therapy massage roller can improve stubborn fat deposits and dimpled skin, helping lymphatic drainage, muscle stimulation, and fat breakdown in targeted areas. Use it as a fat roller for your stomach or as a contouring stick for your waist, hips, thighs, buttocks, and other parts of the body. This back massage stick roller is made of natural wood with a smooth, burr-free surface for a skin-friendly experience. It comes with interior metal rod, boasts with high strength and toughness, allowing the massage ball to roll smoothly for better skin contact during the massage session. Number 2. PCS Wood Therapy Lymphatic Drainage Massage Roller Stick. Great material. Wood massager stick is made of high-quality natural wood carbonized at high temperature. The surface of the stick body is smooth and free of burrs and will not scratch the skin. Design: 34 trigger point balls on massage stick, which are smooth and durable. Recommended by physical and massage therapists. Lymphatic Drainage Massager is designed for physical therapy, gets rid of knots for myofascial release and trigger point therapy, increase blood circulation, reduces soreness, stiffness and pain, and shape a perfect body. Number 3. PCI Roller Massage Stick. Using this eye skin massager can promote absorption of eye cream into the skin. Safe and durable material ensures that this eye massager is comfortable for women to use. Made with ABS and zinc alloy material, this eye skin massager is durable. The length of this product is 5.7 centimeters and width is 1.2 centimeters. It is suitable for women to massage skin around eyes. Number 4. PCS Lymphatic Drainage Massager. This massager is designed to provide a gentle yet effective massage that targets specific areas, helping to relieve soreness and tension, reduce cellulite, and improve overall well-being. This lymphatic drainage massager is made from strong and durable materials, ensuring its ability to withstand frequent use. Plus, this device ensures you can enjoy a long-lasting massage therapy experience. Use this portable massage roller on various body parts such as arms, legs, abdomen, and buttocks. It can be used with your favorite massage oil or lotion for an enhanced and relaxing self-care time. Number 5. 9 Rollers Wooden Massager Handheld Roller Stick. Name: wooden massager material 100% natural wood, color wooden, size as pictures shown. Suit for people unisex, the old, the young. Suit for body parts: neck, shoulder, back, waist, abdomen, arms, elbows, legs, knees, full body and other sore or aching areas. Occasion: beauty salon, home use. Effect: improve blood circulation, speed up metabolism, promote lymphatic detoxification, lymphatic drainage, anti-cellulite, muscle relaxation, body muscle tension relief, muscle pain relief, body sculpting.